Forgot your Apple ID password and want to check if it's already saved on your iPhone? You can first check the iPhone's Passwords app. For this, search for the Passwords app on your iPhone and open it. Unlock it using your Face ID or passcode. Next, tap on the All Passwords tab at the top. You should find your Apple ID password if you've previously saved it on your iPhone. Simply tap the entry to view your password. You can also copy it if needed. If you don't see it here, try to check the Google Password Manager. If you're using Google Chrome to save passwords, open it on your iPhone. Then tap on the three-dot icon in the bottom right corner. From the pop-up menu, select Google Password Manager. Authenticate using Face ID or passcode. Now, look for your Apple account. If you previously saved your Apple ID password in Chrome, you'll be able to view it here. And that's it.